Should we stop it and start it back up?
We're not going to stop the video. We got everybody on.
Okay.
By the way, Brian forgot to turn the microphone on. So.
Well, there is a mute button on the microphone that if you barely touch, it mutes it. And
Okay, so I guess we'll just briefly start over. We just wanted to introduce ourselves. We are Vaca Davis. It's a very special weekend for us. It's our 1-year birthday. We started Vaca Davis around this time last year, so we just wanted to, send a thank you out to everybody who booked with us. We were very overwhelmed with everybody asking for vacations and getting us to help book.
we thought like our first year was just setting things up, trying to get the business practices in order, all the ethical and legal things. But I mean, you guys showed out and was keeping us busy constantly with vacations, and we loved it.
Love it. Not only do I love trying to find vacations that we can't go on because I don't have enough vacation time for my job. So you guys help me fill that void by looking for vacations for you. So it's something I love to do. I definitely enjoy it, and I got hooked with vacations the first time Brian took me on a cruise. So and then we were talking about how all friends and family continue to ask us questions about cruising and Universal Studios and Disney and everything else. And then we kind of were like, we should be travel agents. We should get paid for this. So we're taking our passion and we're running with it.
1 year in, and it still doesn't feel like a job. I mean, it just feels like something fun to. Go ahead, you're good. It just feels like something fun to do, like we've been doing before we were travel agents, just helping people with vacations.
And so with this, we are going to do a drawing. So anybody who booked with us in 2023, whether you went on a vacation in 23 or you are about to travel in 24, just like our March group cruise, woo woo, everybody who's going on that, hey, we'll see you in 4 weeks. You get a chance to get in this drawing, and how you can do that for next year is book with us. Whether it's a cruise, flight, hotel, all in one, you get 3 entries for that drawing. So all of you who have booked, you're automatically entered to win. Now this is for the adults, the ones who are paying. Later on, we might do something for the kiddos and just have a little side drawing for them. But for right now, we're just doing adults, and hopefully next year we'll have a lot more stuff to give away.
Yep. Absolutely.
But
hey, will you do me a favor real quick?
Y'all?
So can you go to the suppliers and go to GoCCO, because it logged us out of the whole thing.
Oh, fun.
So
okay.
Yeah. So we're excited about the drawing. We have some nice little gifts here. It's something we wanted to do, but we wanted to talk about a couple of promos before we did the drawing. Some great last minute deals that are happening. I know Sandals has a great last minute deal. When you book the 3 nights and get the 4th night free.
And that's for Sandals or Beaches. So Sandals is adult only, and Beaches is, sorry, I'm talking and doing this at the same time.
Oh.
Beaches is for families, so kids can go to the beaches. There are a few.
And Sandals is, if y'all are not familiar with Sandals, there's a lot of all-inclusive resorts, Mexico and in places. But Sandals does it, in our opinion, just a little better than everybody else. It's a little nicer. They go that extra little mile, just to make sure that it's an elite experience.
You get what you pay for, and Sandals definitely delivers in that area.
Absolutely. So that's a really good one. The other promo, let's see, we have a Disney promo going on right now, and it's save up to 30% off on a Disney resort hotel when you stay 5 nights or more. And the 5 nights is perfect. That's exactly what we did. I mean, way back when, because we would do 2 parks, day 1 a park, day 2 a park, and then we'd do a rest day, hang out at the resort pool, go to Disney Springs, and then we'd do the last 2 days at the last 2 parks. So it's a good offer. I mean, that's pretty much what people stay. If you want to add another day or 2 on there, I mean, that's really awesome too.
Universal Studios also has something that is really, really awesome. You get 2 free days when you buy a 2-park 3-day pass. So that's a total of 5 full days at Universal. We thought we could do Universal in 2 days, but we were sadly mistaken.
It was so. okay, we had a blast. We did 2 days. We did a park each day, and we had a blast. And we did so much stuff. And then we look back and we're like, wait, we didn't do this. We didn't do that. And I say we missed out. We didn't really miss out. We didn't get to complete everything. And that's the joy of it too. Is we have so much to look forward to when we go back to Universal. You know, or if you add the extra days in there, I mean, you can do all the stuff, all the Harry Potter land, you know, things, and you still trying to find it.
I think they just took the video off. I can't find the video anymore.
It just logged off, which was really
go
weird.
back. Are you logging in?
It won't let me.
I can't find the video.
It's fine. We were going to show y'all a video of.
We can probably do pictures instead.
Let's see here.
So yeah, we're going to talk about it next, and we're going to play this video. So Carnival has come out, well, they're building right now a new private island in the Bahamas, Eastern Caribbean, and it is called Celebration Key. We actually have a group cruise that we are holding space on, and that is in August, end of August 23rd, 2025. Right now, you can hold a cabin for $25 per person, and that promotion is going on until March 21st.
So you don't get to pick your room with this holding, but the great thing that happens is when you pay the $25, it locks you in on this price, because on cruises, the prices are super low, especially a year and a half or whatever it is before the cruise. And as they fill up the ship, the prices just keep rising. So we lock in those low rates and we hold them there. So when you're there, when you finally get your full deposit in, then you get to pick your room and all that at this low rate. So it works out pretty good. And you get, you know, onboard credit and things like that as well.
I'm trying. Here is.
Yep.
Sorry guys, I can't see it.
I got you. So you get to just hold in your pricing, and you can take your time with getting your deposit. Now our group deposits are a little bit more than normal deposits, but you can still get those as well. They're $250 per person. But if you go ahead and book your $25 per person now, you'll have 15 months to get that money in. So that could be anywhere between $115 and $150 a month. And then as soon as you get enough money to pay for your deposit, we'll go ahead and grab that cabin, and you'll already log in the price, so it doesn't really matter. Those deposits are due next March, so you have a whole year pretty much to make the deposits. And then May 25 is when your final payment is due. What's awesome about this as well is Celebration Key. This is one of the first sailings going to Celebration Key. So we'll be on there experiencing this, you know.
Yeah, it'll be open for a month. We didn't want to do like the first sailing, because if anything happens, then we'd still be going on that sailing, just wouldn't be going to Celebration Key. And
delays.
That's where I want to go. So we started a month after they open. And that is going to be departing from Galveston on the Carnival Dream. And it is going to be going to Key West, Celebration Key, Half Moon Key, which is another private island of theirs, and Nassau. And that includes 3 sea days, and it's a total of an 8-day cruise. So 9 full days that you're going to be away from home there. So
we've got let me see here. We haven't worked all the details, how to click all this.
Well, we thought we did. Go ahead and just do that.
Maximize it.
Do this right there.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
So that's everybody on the wheel.
Yeah, and that's all that we have to talk about for right now. We'll go ahead and start the wheel. So our first prize is going to be this Carnival neon hat. I don't know if I need to get closer or not. It's real cute. We'll go ahead and do you want to go ahead and spin for the first one?
Here's
to
the
get
first
the Carnival
one.
Hat. It is
Caitlin,
you win a hat.
Caitlin Stan. Congratulations. I'll bring it to you Monday.
Okay. Next up is going to be, let me get this. It is a Carnival hoodie.
The most comfortable hoodie. I mean, I'm not wearing it, but I'm just
so comfy.
It is the softest material.
I got one on the cruise, and we had to get one for you guys.
Look, show the back of it.
And the back.
It's their new neon design.
Super, super cute.
Yeah.
All right, who's gonna win this one?
Alrighty. Martha
Dingler.
Nice.
Courtney, I'll hook up with you to get this to your mama.
That is amazing.
Okay, and so we
you writing it up there?
Let me write it down here.
Okay. Next up, we're going to do another hat. And it's the same hat, so here we go. Mary Hunt.
My mama! Mama, I'll bring it over. Mary Hunt, you got a hat. So the next one, I'll just put Ma up here.
Is the grab bag, Vaca Davis grab bag with SOS kit. So, go ahead.
Yeah, so the Vaca Davis grab bag, actually everybody going on the March cruise who booked with us, they will get one bag per cabin. In that bag, you will get a pair of sunglasses, Vaca Davis sunglasses. You'll get some SPF, what is it called? Chapstick.
Oh, you gotta have chapstick on a cruise too.
Especially with SPF in it. Trust me, I've burnt my lips before. It's horrible. And then you'll also get a Vaca Davis lanyard. It also has a detachable. These things are amazing on a cruise. That way you don't lose it, and you can detach your Sail & Zone card whenever you need to pay for anything. Also, with that, you'll get one of our SOS kits. So in this SOS kit, you'll get a little
First aid kit.
First aid kit. I can't remember what it's called. Also some motion sickness patches, Kleenex, a whole bunch of other goodies. Aloe for those sunburns.
So this is basically a kit where you just throw it in your bag and forget about it, right? And then if you come up like, oh, I need seasickness patches, or I need some Advil, or some stuff for my stomach's upset. I mean, you go to the bag and pretty much everything's in there.
We have one in each car.
Yeah.
So
each car,
it's not just for travel, it's for your car.
And then throw it in a suitcase. So every time you travel, it's in there. And then, you can go to the airport with them. It's not an issue.
All right. You want to see who's going to win this awesome prize here?
Yeah, this is a good one.
Martha again.
Wow.
Alrighty.
That's awesome.
Congrats, Martha. You got two.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. And next is going to be our Deluxe XOS kit, which has pretty much everything and anything you could think of when you're going on vacation. It also has a lint roller, downy wrinkle releaser, because on cruises you cannot take a steamer or iron or anything. Shout wipes, off.
So Jody will put a link to these where you can buy these on her website.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I guess in the comments we can.
Yeah, I can do it in the comments. I can also probably do some other stuff. So let's see who is going to be awesome enough to get this.
There's
Courtney! Man, the Dinglers are killing it with this right now.
It's awesome.
All right, Courtney, I will get you and your mama all your goodies next time I see you. And the last but not least, I don't have a picture for this, but we are going to give away a t-shirt of your choosing. You can either customize it to whatever you want. It can be a travel shirt. It can be just a random shirt that you see on my website for We Pictured All Apparel. But this last prize here is going to go to you.
There's some good vacation shirts on there. That's really awesome. Alrighty. Tanya Bradbury.
Tanya.
Awesome. We'll contact you, get you, make sure all the information is correct, and we'll ship it out to you.
Yes, yes.
This has been amazing for our first drawing.
Yes.
This is really awesome.
And we can't thank you guys enough for putting your trust into Vaca Davis.
ready. I'm excited for 2024. This is going to be an
Yes.
amazing year. We've already started off super strong. Even got the bookings for 2025 going. So
Yeah, we're really excited. Thank you guys so much, and for all of you going with us in March, we'll see you very, very soon, and hope to hear from you all again and many new faces as well.
reach out to us for any of the promos that we've talked about. Go to vacadavis.com. You can see a lot of the things on there as well. So super excited. We'll see y'all next time.